Back home, the former head of the Central Narcotics Bureau has taken the stand in his corruption trial. Earlier, District Judge Siva Shanmugam had found that there was a case for Ng Boon Gay to answer. The 46-year-old is accused of forcing former IT sales executive Cecilia Sue to give him oral sex in exchange for furthering her employer's business interests.
Ng Boon Gay took centre stage on day 10 of his trial when defence opened its case. During the 3-hour testimony, Ng elaborated on his intimate sexual relationship with Miss Cecilia Sue. He said the affair lasted for about 3 years and that there was never a breakup as suggested by prosecution. Ng said they continued to meet even after Miss Sue gave birth to her daughter in 2010. Describing Miss Sue as a willing party, he said she performed oral sex on him about 20 to 30 times. He said they also had sexual intercourse. Ng testified after District Judge Siva Shanmugam found there was a case to answer. In coming to his decision, the district judge said the court is obliged to be open-minded about the veracity of the evidence of the witnesses. He added that some parts of the evidence are not inherently incredible and they satisfy elements of the charges against Ng. In the morning, lead prosecutor Tan Ken Hui highlighted elements of the charges, first of which was gratification. Under the Prevention of Corruption Act, whether or not oral sex is adequate or satisfactory is irrelevant. DPP Tan pointed out that Ng should have declared the conflict of interests. In rebuttal, Senior Counsel Tan Chi Ming said there's no dispute that sex can amount to a favour and thus gratification, but not all sexual acts are favours. He also said it would take a quantum leap of logic to equate non-disclosure as corrupt intent. Ng took to the stand after lunch break and was visibly nervous as he testified in his own defence. But he grew more accustomed in the witness seat as time passed. Meanwhile, his wife, who was seated in the public gallery, had a grave look as Ng talked about the affair with Miss Sue. Ng will take the stand on Tuesday.